Hello, this is Camper Chris at Bullion RV in beautiful Duluth, Minnesota. Today is Wednesday, June 3rd, 2026, and behind me, newly arrived, is our very first 2027 Grand Design Imagine XLS 22MLE travel trailer. We're gonna show you on the outside, show the inside, see what you guys think. So we've been one of our standbys here at Bullion RV for many years. 22MLE, about 5,200 pounds dry, very half-ton towable. Got the power tongue jack, the 220-pound LP tanks. Got the little rock guard here in the front. Here at Bullion RV, we're 71 years, family owned. So that means new battery, deep cycle in the box, both LP tanks filled, complete orientation, all included in our pricing. No hidden fees, no corporate bologna and cheese, all included, freight included, prep included. Just an applicable tax and license above and beyond our sale price. Pass-through storage, heated holding tanks, 4 manual stabilizer jacks. Grab your 3/4 inch socket and a drill, cordless drill, zip those down in a couple seconds, even though it does come with a manual handle as well. The nice aluminum fold-up steps, the priceless fold-away grab handle, LED lit awning, got a hookup out here for a TV, so you can plug it in, hook it up to the TV antenna, set it on a little table out here, watch the game. Also has a black tank flush hookup there and an outside cold water spray port. Does have a receiver hitch for a bike rack. Backup camera prepped, full walk-on roof. There's going to be your roof ladder right there. 30 amp service on this coach. You're going to have a tankless on-demand water heater that you see on almost everything now. Discharge here for your gray and your black tank, and they're starting to put these clear caps on here, so you don't have to ever wonder, if I open that up, am I going to get some poo on me here? Well, you'll know just by looking. On this side here, you're going to have your battery disconnect, your solar disconnect, cable and satellite hookup, freshwater hookup, outside shower. There's a blue coil hose right there that quick connects right to there. You can add your own nozzle to it. You can run all the hoses right down in here, so you can keep this guy closed right there. It does come standard with 200 watts of solar. That's on the roof right now. Let's go take a walk inside. One of the first things you're going to see is some shoe storage. You're going to fit size 13s right there. Ducted AC, ducted heat. They've changed the colors up a little bit in here. People said, hey, I want a little more of the grays, less of the whites. Well, they threw some browns in here. Kind of warm it up a little bit. A little brown tone to the floor. No carpet, of course. Got your nice dinette there that folds down to a bed. Got your Thomas Paine theater seating right here. Right across from the TV. Perfect. What's nice about Grand Design as well is true queen beds. I've always wondered if Grand Design could put a few more of their emblems on here. I don't know if they have enough, but if you want your favorite pillow top, just put it right in that same spot. Storage underneath. That little drawer will come out. You can go fill it up in the house and bring it back out here if you want. His and her nightstands with 110 plugs, cell phone chargers, hers and hers closets, and more deep storage up there. Obviously, nice big 10 cubic foot 12 volt fridge, oven, range, microwave. Actually, we're going to do, I believe, even a convection in here. Even cooking, effortless cleanup. Yeah, all the above. We'll call that a microwave for sure. Maybe not convection. Got your kitchen nook here in the back. Nice deep pantry storage. Look how deep that is. Got your blackout shades. For privacy. A nice bathroom. Porcelain toilet, not plastic. Place for linens. Some counter space for your brushes, your toothbrushes. And with the skylight in the shower, I'll show you here. So, I'm just over 6'2". I'm definitely not coming with you, but as you can see, I got plenty of room to get clean in here. And with the pocket door right there, you're not going to open that up and smack somebody who's trying to cook in the kitchen. I call this the New York City efficiency apartment on wheels. Everything is right here. I mean, if you want to throw a guest or two there, you can. Otherwise, you can say, listen, you're not invited. Get your own RV or stay in a tent out there. Just a great layout from Grand Design Imagine XLS. Once again, this is Camper Chris here at Bullion RV in Duluth. For those of you who don't know where Duluth, Minnesota is, if you're looking at a map of the U.S., we're at the far western tip of Lake Superior. We're about 2.5 hours due north of Minneapolis, St. Paul. This unit's here. It's available right now. 2027. This is the cheapest one I can get you. At some point, prices will increase. If you're interested at all, feel free to call or text me anytime, day or night, at 218-225-8355. And if you like this video, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below so that each time we post something new, you'll know exactly what we have available. Stay safe, stay positive, and happy camping.